So hello guys, I wanted to show you this game I played last night. Actually, this is my second account. I just play for fun when I'm free here. I will tell you about my main account later, but let's see this game. Actually, my main motive to tell you why I made this video here is because if you even play the whole game really nicely, you can still blunder in the end, and the game might be over for you. So let's analyze the game and I started with an e4. I was white. My opponent was black. He was also a 1200 opponent, 1200 rated. e4, e5, knight f3, pawn d6, bishop c4, pawn h6. He was trying to protect my knight from jumping in his territory, and I castled, continued with my development. Knight f6, knight c3, pawn c6, pawn d4 is the best move, and takes. We both continue our development. He short castled, and I was trying to attack in his king territory. So as he has short castled, so I bring my second bishop into the attack, and actually sacked a pawn here because this is an inaccuracy because it's just a free pawn. And but my idea here was that I can sack the bishop here, and my queen can attack hard inside, and it would be difficult for him to escape. And I told you this, I play on this ID for fun only, so why not we can try new stuff here. So he just takes the free knight, and I jump and I bring my knight here because my idea was that if he takes, I take, and I can. It would be really difficult for him to attack this, to stop this attack from my bishop and the queen. So I don't know if it was unstoppable, but it was a really nice attack. He took it. He didn't take the knight actually because he also saw that my bishop was coming in. I played this move because if he takes carelessly, this is just a mate. Even if he takes with the queen, even if he takes with the queen, it's a mate. So he didn't take it, and he pushed my pawn. He pushed his pawn on f5 because he wanted to disconnect my bishop. It was the best move actually. I took it. He takes, and you can see that I hung another piece, but it was actually a tactic because after this move, it's a check, and his king has to move somewhere. He moved in, and I took his rook. It was a mistake. D7 was the best move. I also made a inaccuracy here because so I could have gone in, but I took a step back. This was an inaccuracy because that knight was earlier protecting this pawn, and now it was not there. So I took this pawn. I took this pawn also. He pushed it also. I don't know why. He could have protected by playing the queen to g7, which the computer is also showing. I took it, and this I don't know how he found this move. This was just a blunder, a free piece. I took it and move here, so it was an attack to the knight. He had to move it. I took this pawn also, so now he has no more pawns, and uh, it was a +4 advantage for me. I trade the rooks also. I thought that later in the game, if he plays something like this, I can trade the queens also and just go into the end game. So I did the same. Actually, this was a good move here because if he takes this, just a free queen. So he moved there. I took the queen, and now I put it my rook on the b file so that his king cannot enter there. So he brought his knights in, and I could have even taken the knight. I think if I had taken it, it was still an advantage for me. It would have been difficult, but I think I could have converted it. So protected my rook, and the idea here, I pushed this pawn. I was thinking that if he takes, this is a fork, but no, I didn't saw his knight on d7, which was protecting the b6 square, and actually he also missed it. I don't know how, but if he had just taken it, it would be a draw because you cannot checkmate with two knights only, and he actually didn't took it, and I took the free knight, and at this moment he resigned because I would just take, and then my pawns would start to push. I would come in with my king, and it was just over for him if we had even continued to play. But I just wanted to show you that we should be careful if we have an advantage in the end game, because small advantages in the end game only help us to win these games where it's really close. So I am Ayush and I'm signing off from now for now.